Hi all, welcome to the video. Hope you all are doing good. So today we will be discussing what is stock market. Market is a system which enable companies to sell their ownership to the investors in exchange of the cash. Investors earn return on their investment and companies get money in exchange of that. So it's a win-win for both of them. Stocks are generally saved in a dematerialized form in your name, which earlier was in the paper form, like there were the paper certificates for each stock you hold, but now it's been enabled digitally form. Stock is generally a single form of shares, which means if company has total 100 shares and you own one out of that, which means you own 1/100th of the company, and you get a proportionate amount of rights in that company. Being a shareholder, you get to vote on some matters of the company, or you are able to vote for the boards of director. But in real life, this doesn't happen that way. You can elect any person, but you have to vote for the person whom management shortlist. So it's a shortcoming in that way that you actually don't elect directly. So it's management's bias sometimes comes in a way. So it might be sometimes dangerous, but keep a lookout of for that. There are two stock exchanges in India, NSE and BSE, which are National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange, and the shares are listed over these. And you buy shares from these exchanges through your broker, like Zerodha, Grow, 5paisa, etc. And your shares or stocks are transferred to you in form of demat. Some companies provide you dividend out of their profits when they don't see any of the opportunities in their own companies to grow. So that's been given out to you as a cash. And but the thing is that when the dividend is being announced, so on the X date, like X dividend date, the amount of the stock price will reduce by that amount. Stock markets have proved to be the best option to grow your wealth from the all other options available over the last century. So that's all for today. Hope to see you next time. Thanks. Nikhil Dhawan, sign off.